Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're given the function f, where f of x is equal to cx squared plus 30. We're told that c is a constant and that f of 3 is equal to 12. We're asked to find the value of f of negative 3. So if f of 3 is equal to 12 and f of x is equal to cx squared plus 30, if we plug in 12 for f of x and 3 for x, we have an equation where we can solve for c. If we just plug in negative 3 into this, you're going to have some number in terms of c, which we don't want for our final answer, so we have to solve for c first. So 12 is equal to 3 squared is 9, so 9c plus 30. Subtracting 30 from both sides. These cancel, and we get 9c is equal to 12 minus 30 is negative 18. Dividing both sides by 9, these cancel, and you get c is equal to negative 18 divided by 9, which is negative 2. So therefore, f of x is equal to cx squared, which is negative 2x squared plus 30. We're then asked the value of f of negative 3, which is negative 2 times negative 3 squared, plugging in negative 3 plus 30, which is equal to negative 2 times 3 squared, or negative 3 squared is times 9 plus 30. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18 plus 30, and negative 18 plus 30 is 12. So f of negative 3 is 12. D is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.